One day, she told her producer she'd had enough.
I'm saying to him, I deserve to work better men's games as an analyst, and I am.
What does she know?
Say that to you?
I think there's something up to you, but what they're really doing is revealing their ignorance, right?
What do you say back?
I always say the same thing. Dorsey's the best broadcaster in basketball. That's it.
Van Gundy and Burke have been colleagues on ESPN since 2007, and he always knew she could do his job.
But she rides in the same car as we do to go to games, and we're the analysts, and she might be doing the sideline that game.
Every year, as she always has, with meticulous detail and exhaustive study. But there's one thing she will not do to keep her high
There
profile.
are a lot of 60-year-old men who have wrinkles, no hair, glasses, and nobody gives a damn.
So she doesn't do it. And by the way, kudos to Doris. She was recently named the Kirkwood County Media Award for the NBA Hall of Fame. So
There's a strong camaraderie spirit within the town. I decided to get involved in DBS and my dad.
Even when I travel for leisure. Spire National, choose any available upgrade in the island.
Having accomplished what we have to accomplish. So we are discussing here as
Say we have a great shot at a new arena. Say